My name is Greg Crow. I'm the founder and the CEO of Boostr Displays. Back in 2013, I was an old high school basketball coach in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We were working really hard to try to find ways to raise money for our basketball program. We'd really struggled with raising money. So my friend and assistant coach, Matthew Renix, I said, why don't we go buy a big old 70-inch TV and let's just build a table for it. That's how Boostr started in 2013 in a small garage where we were hoping to build 10 or 12 tables a year. The first year we did 30, the second year we did 70. And so from there, we started building tables and shipping them out all over the country. And now Boostr is in all 50 states and in some countries. And we're just very proud of where we've come from. And we're also very proud that we're still able to help coaches and ADs in schools raise money with our digital products, especially our digital tables. You know, one thing I've learned over the last 13 years, almost 14 years now, we really invented a new way of doing tables. Back when we started, there really was no way to do motion graphics and things without buying an LED table. At that time, back in the 2013, 2014, LED tables were terribly expensive. And so when we came up with the TV table, it allowed high schools and middle schools all over the country to start selling advertising, promoting their players, promoting their school, promoting their teachers. And so that's something that we really strive to do at Boostr. We want to help the schools. Being from an education family, my father was a teacher and a principal. We always have been very comfortable in the school setting. So Boostr is built by coaches, for coaches and for schools. So 6 years ago, we started building LED tables. That was a new project for us. But over the last 6 years, we now are probably one of the biggest LED table manufacturers in the country. Here's the unique thing about Boostr. We build all of our tables in wood and hardwood. We manufacture them right there in Coker, Alabama, outside of Tuscaloosa. And for years, people made fun of us for making tables out of wood. And now multiple people that are building tables now do theirs out of wood. So we set that trend. And we've set many trends along the way, from built-in possession eras to lights under the table, to Bluetooth speakers in our tables. We're always looking for a way to make Boostr tables better for the end user, for the players, for the coaches, for the ADs, for the Boostr clubs, so that they can raise money and promote their school and their players. Another thing that we've learned as we've been doing tables for 13 years, and we're so comfortable with that now, a lot of our ideas have come from you. A lot of the ideas in the new tables that we build come from coaches and ADs and even parents who say, why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? And Boostr is a company that has always wanted to be focused on service and focused on what we hear from our customers, which are our coaches and our ADs. And so today we're continually adding new products to our tables to make Boostr the best table manufacturer in the country. So in 2013, we started with 2 employees, 2 basketball coaches that were bivocational, and then it has morphed into a 45 employee, 2 warehouses. Now we do tables, indoor video, outdoor football, baseball, softball, soccer, tennis. Any LED product that is available, we do that now. We manufacture that. It's been fun, it's been exciting. It's always cool to come into a gym like this one. And it's just pretty cool to come in here and see your tables and the facilities and know that you're helping schools all over the country. So one thing at Boostr is we're a family affair. My oldest daughter is over marketing, Caitlin. My oldest son, Colin, is over operations. My youngest son, Carson, started with us 2 years ago, and he's in sales and working his way into director of sales. One of the things that we've always said is that we have 3 core beliefs that we want to make sure that we always follow. And that is that we have a superior product. Our specs will match or exceed any other company that is selling LED products in the United States. We are at a competitive price. One of the things that Boostr has been able to help customers be able to afford product and be able to budget for things that we can sell them. And then the third thing, the most important thing to me, is service, service, service. We're always going to answer your calls, we're always going to fix your products, and we're always going to try to do that in a hurry. So to celebrate our 14 years of Boostr, and now being in all 50 states, the year of 2026 is going to be labeled at Boostr the year of the LED table. In 2026, we're going to do everything in our power to get the most tables that we've ever delivered in the United States. And so we want you to join us. We want you to check out our products. check out the quality of our products, and hopefully you'll join us and make 2026 the year that you purchase a Boostr LED table.